Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, and also how to create an application. So many more you can learn from this website, from this channel. Okay, so if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. In today's video, I want to guide you on how to create a game and also monetize with AdMob, and we're going to check how much money you can make by creating this game. Okay, so this is the example of the game which I created. I went to Blogger with the code, and here this is the preview of the game. I'm going to see how it works. We're going to play this game like this, you know. So this is so simple. As you go, the more the level goes high, the speed. Okay, so this is how to play this game. I miss. Okay, so this is how exactly you're going to create this game and you monetize with AdMob. So what I did here, I also have the code where I posted it here on my WhatsApp group, where all my users, all my people learning or subscribers will having the advantage to copy this code for free and modify the way you want to modify and publish it in any of the app store recommended by AdMob, and you're ready to earn money with this app. So someone was asking me from my users, from my subscribers, asking me how can you promote his app. Please don't promote your app link like the one on the app creator 24. When you publish your app on any app store, always make sure if you're going to promote your app, always promote that app store link. I hope it's clear. Now what I mean is, let me show you here. So what I mean is that make sure you promote this link. Don't promote link from app creator 24. If not, AdMob is going to ban your account because the traffic will not be coming from your app store. Because why AdMob has to approve your account is because they know that your app is actually linked with the proper app store recommended by them. So by the time you go with this link asking people to download your game, then there will be problem. Like this link, don't ever promote this link. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now let's head to how to make money with this app. So simple. If you have users like 50,000 active users every month, this is the dollars you'll be making every single month. So you can see the analysis from here, where you can select the region, North America. If you are from North America, which kind of app, communication app, education, entertainment, click calculate. Here you can see only 50,000 active users. Someone from North America with entertainment app on Android, publish on recommended app store. If you have 50,000 active users, this is what you make. Okay, so simple. If you are from another region as well, we can check it out. South America, the same thing. Maybe you change, doesn't matter. Calculate. Here you can see when you have 50,000 active users, you're going to get 1,326. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so now back to what I was saying. Don't promote your, okay, like this. Okay, any of this app, if you want to promote, make sure you're promoting. Okay, as I click on the app, okay, the URL is coming up here, so you can see this URL should be for this particular app. This should be the URL. Okay, or you can see share button. So make sure you copy the link from the App Store. So here, if you're promoting, anybody going to download has to come back to Google Play Store and download your app. If you publish on Amazon App Store, always go there, copy your app URL, publish, promote that. Anybody clicking on it will take the person into the App Store and download your app. So he's not recommended for you to publish this this URL for someone to download, your users to download. And okay, please don't get banned. Don't use your account to get unnecessary traffic. Always make sure you're doing the right thing. Okay, so that is how it works. I already told you I have the code here, so if you need the code, please let me know, drop it down. I'm here always to guide you, to take you out through all the journey. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.